Your phone feels boring not because it's old, but because you are using the wrong wallpaper app. Hey guys, welcome back to Guidezen. If you want to 4K HD quality wallpapers for your phone home screen and lock, then just go to Google Play Store and search here Wallpapers. Wallpapers, and just find out this application which have 1 billion downloads and download this application. The Wallpapers app is designed to completely change the look of your phone. Instead of searching random images online, this app gives you thousands of 4K, HD, and AMOLED wallpapers made especially for mobile screens. You can preview wallpapers, apply them with one tap, and even set automatically daily wallpapers changes. Many wallpapers app also include lock screen wallpaper and live wallpapers, making your phone feel newly every day without changing the device. So if you enjoy phone customization, like this video, share it, and subscribe for more app guides. I will see you in the next one, guys. Goodbye. Best of.